In this video, we're going to be talking about Multivac. We're going to be analyzing the price of Multivac to see where price is heading, basically giving a technical analysis on the price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Multivac, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So Multivac at the time of recording is currently down 6.72%. It's not looking too good for Multivac on the daily. You can see on the chart provided for CoinMarketCap. We will look into it more. We will look into it more in depth on TradingView in a few moments. So yeah, you can see here that pretty much price has pretty much been very bearish. You can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows essentially, and then we did have the rally towards upside. I think there was a little accumulation schematic being played out on the lower time frame. Then price did come back up, and then we did have a distribution which then caused a new lower low essentially. So it looks like price is still overall bearish on the daily. If we check on the weekly as well, on the weekly you can see that price was pretty much bullish, and then from then onwards we've pretty much just been bearish. I think this is mainly due to the overall market being bearish as well, Bitcoin being bearish. So yeah, I think it's just all due to the current market conditions. Even on the monthly, you can see that pretty much Multivac was trading around the green zone, and looks like prices came back down into the demand zone essentially. And you can see here that price is pretty much just, hopefully we can respect this demand zone and we could possibly see another reach towards the upside. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis, you can see here that pretty much we did have a distribution schematic play out, and then which caused the leg toward the downside. And then over here it looks like we were having a little accumulation schematic being played out, and pretty much we I think we pretty much liquidated this high, but we failed to close above it. So therefore this pretty much invalidated this accumulation schematic. This was a perfect accumulation schematic, as we did have a breakout structure, but due to the current market conditions, price did fall back down into the strong demand zone. Looking on the daily, that this demand zone has been tested once, twice, 3 times, and looks like it's going to be getting tested 4 times. So this is a very strong demand zone, as it shows. As well as that, it also shows that there is lots and lots of liquidity based below this demand zone. If we look on the daily, let's go over to the daily. You can see here that price is pretty much just accumulating within this, pretty much within this range essentially. Nothing major occurring, just price being, it's like ping pong. Price reaches this point, comes back down. Price reaches up here, it comes back up. But we're gonna have to wait and see how price plays out. In my opinion, I feel like we should have a reaction from this demand zone. We are in a very strong demand zone, let's be real. This is a strong demand zone, as it did cause a break of structure on previous time frames. And we're gonna have to wait and see on how the overall market is. If we drop into the 1 hour to see what is going on, you can see, yeah, this is a very strong demand zone in this area. You can see that price is pretty much struggling to breach below it essentially. And what could possibly occur? Let me just quickly draw Fibonacci and see how price is. So let's do from the low to the high, and then you can see that price is pretty much just trading around the 0.76 zone. It's not looking too bad for Multivac. We could still be overall bullish. It just could be a bearish day. So yeah, it's not looking too bad, because Bitcoin, if we go over to Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is pretty much bearish, and then you can see that Bitcoin is starting to accumulate, hopefully. This pretty much was, okay, let me just remove it. So we did have an accumulation schematic essentially being played out, but pretty much invalidated it essentially. I think that this was a real spring, but we're gonna have to wait and see how price reacts when it comes back up into the zone. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Hopefully the crypto market can slowly recover. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. Peace.